Hey Bubble Girls, it's Colleen here. Welcome back. You know what this means. DIY time. Woohoo! Alright, so today we received a kit from Dough Club. How to dough it yourself. Bonbon the cat. Yay! Also, we received a Mochi pancake / waffle mix from Konveny, so thank you for that, and stay tuned because another pop-up girl member is gonna do a video on that. Also, I forgot to mention, stay tuned in the end because we have a special surprise. Hey, Bonbon the cat time. Alright, so in this do-it-yourself Bonbon the cat, let's open it up. Yes, you're adorable. I love the puns. So in this kit, there are 4 mochi donuts, candy melts, container of almonds, and a drawing utensil that you see down there like a bamboo stick. Now to the kitchen. Here they give us a really simple instruction how to do the step-by-step do-it-yourself Bonbon the cat. We're gonna take the white candy melt until it's all melted and smooth. The side there, you're gonna see that I dipped my first donut first and forgot the first 2 crucial steps, which is the ears. It's okay, you can just add it on later. Alright, so since I don't really have a microwave at home, I did the double boiler method where I melted the chocolate. But the thing was, I thought it was already smooth and melted, but the problem was it wasn't adhering into the mochi donut. I tried to put it back on heat, but it didn't work. It was still the same. So what I did was I just spooned and spackled it all over the mochi donuts and try to smooth it as sponge as possible. So this kit didn't come with the pink candy melt, so I had the buko pandan extract and the pandan extract to have that flavor and that color into the candy melt. And if you plan to do the same thing, just be warned because when I added the extract, it became more stiffer and it was like quite difficult. It became more of a frosting than a smooth melted chocolate. Any pastry or decorating, it always gets messy. But in this case, it's deliciously messy. I know, look, it's not as smooth as it depicts in the picture or the DIY kit, but you know what? All these kitties will have their own personalities. It's time to start drawing your features. I had a problem melting the brown candy melt. It didn't come out as smooth as it should have been because I put it in the refrigerator and there was moisture inside. When I started to melt, it was just clumpy. I tried the best as I can. This is my first time drawing a cat using candy melts on a donut, on a mochi donut. Thank you for staying tuned until the end of the video. We have a special announcement, and that is we're doing a giveaway. Whoopee! Have you guessed what we're giving away according to this video? Yes? If you guessed do it yourself Bonbon the cat, you are right! Yes! One of you lucky winners will receive a do it yourself Bonbon the cat. Stay tuned for more information on how to participate in our giveaway. Thank you!